Hi guys, welcome back to Targets Trading. Today in this video we will discuss about the best tips to enter into the trade. Okay, firstly we should always keep our entry, exit and stop loss level while entering the trade. Okay, so firstly we should know where we need to enter into the trade, and where we need to keep our targets and where we need to keep our stop losses. Okay, and we should be patient while entering that particular trade. As you know where you need to enter, and you should be patient while entering that particular trade and time your entry. So wait till the resistance breaks of your price which you have kept in the order. We should be patient till then, till the order triggers. You should not cancel and go and place another order by seeing the price action at that particular moment. You should be patient. Okay, and we should always keep an eye on the market trend in every time interval. Okay, so that is, while trading you should always keep an eye on the market trend and about the movements which happens in the markets. Okay, we should always, which also affects our trade, guys. Okay, we should always keep an eye on the market. Okay, then we should be updated on the market news and the global news regularly, because this is the most important thing, guys. We should always be updated on the market news and the global news, which directly affects the market. Because you see, for example, you might have bought a stock and there will be some news about in the market which might say, which might make your stock go against your movement, or which the or on the trade which you have entered. So we should always keep on updated about the global news and the market news regularly while trading. Okay, hope you have understood, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.